The afternoon sun beats down on the school playground. Max stands at the edge of the asphalt, eyes locked on the towering metal slide. Miss Carter points a firm finger toward the orange safety tape snapping in the wind. The big slide is under repair. Do not go near it. Max watches the tape flutter, his mind already made up. I will be careful, he whispers. He waits for the class to move toward the soccer field, then breaks away. He reaches the base and grabs the cold metal rungs, his boots scraping the frame. Each step vibrates under his weight. At the summit, the platform feels unstable. Max shifts, but his foot lands on a rusted patch. The entire structure groans and tilts violently. Max flails, his hands slipping from the railing as he tumbles backward. He hits the muddy ground with a dull thud. His leg twists at a sharp angle, sinking into the wet earth. He gasps, clutching his shin, unable to push himself up. The pain pulses as he stares at the mud staining his jeans. Miss Carter drops to her knees, wrapping his leg in a thick white bandage. Rules are here to protect you, she says softly. Listening keeps you safe. Later, Max sits on a wooden bench, watching the orange tape sway. He does not move toward the slide again.